Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use Jawmax app. So if you want to enhance your jawline and have a strategy to actually get the best jawline that you want, this app is supposed to help you and give you the strategies and things that you should do to get what you want. So first you need to open the app. So from here it's actually telling you what the app is doing. So you can just read this and click on continue. Now it will ask you for a lot of questions. You should answer the best answer so you can get the best plan. So now tell them if you are male or female, tell them your birth date, hit on next, and now you can choose your goals from here. Potential or something like that. I need a stronger chin definition, too much body fat, things like that. I don't like how my jawline looks. And now choose your goal. So there's a lot of types of jawlines. Now you need to choose what is the goal that you actually aim for. Hit on next. From here you can actually scan your face and they will tell you the strategy and things that you should do to get the best jawline that you actually want. Hit on scan. From here it will give me the full analysis, but to get that you need to actually click on unlock now to get the pro features, so you need to actually pay them. It's not for free. So that's actually how you use Jawmax app. After that you can do the exercises that this app tells you and it will help you to get the jawline that you want. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.